Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Do you want to get this kind of border for your WordPress Gutenberg blog? You can make such kind of border for single block or multiple group block. You can make it solid border, dotted border, dashed border, as you want. You can do, even you can customize the color, you can customize the border radius, everything. Today I will guide how you can add custom border in WordPress Gutenberg block. I will show for the single block and group block both. Right now I am on my website dashboard. So I am going to my all post section. After that I am going to open this post. Now I want to add a border on this section. Under high vitamin C content, this paragraph I want to make a border. For this, firstly I have to select that block. So I am selecting that block. This block is showing a round border. That means block already selected. After that, I will come to the right side. Then I will click on this block option. Then I will come to the bottom. There has advanced option. After that I will click on this advanced option, and here I will give a name of CSS class. So I am giving the name as example post uploader underscore border. Okay, so save. After save, I want to view the post. Is there any change happened? I tried to give a border for this. There has nothing changed because I need to give custom CSS code. Just 2-3 lines simple CSS code. For that, I have to click on this customize option. This one. Okay, click on customize, and here you will get an option like additional CSS. This one, additional CSS. So click there, and here you can add your custom CSS. Firstly I have to copy the CSS name what already I added here. So CSS name was post uploader underscore border. So I'm copying it and giving here a dot. Firstly you have to add dot, then paste that name, CSS name. After that give a second bracket opening and second bracket closing. I am making it zoom, then it will be easy for you to see what I am doing. So dot, after that CSS name and second bracket opening and closing. Give enter, and as we want to add a border, then write here border. You see, if you write border, it will show the border. Okay, then give a colon, and what would be the border size? We can check in the right side by live. Like I am trying to add border here. So border would be the 2 pixel. After that I want to give solid border. So I am writing solid. You see, already border showing here. After that I want to give a color of that border. So as an example I want to give this color code. So this border is very close to the text. I want to give some space after the border. So for that you have to add padding colon. Firstly I want to give padding for top, after that right, after that bottom, then left. So I am giving padding for top is 20 pixel, and for the right I want to give 10 pixel, and for the bottom again I want to give 20 pixel, and for the left I want to give 10 pixel. Okay, perfect. But if you wish you can give everywhere the same pixel, so I am giving 20 pixel everywhere. After that, if you want to give the border radius here. So for this you have to write border hyphen radius colon and. So for example, in left border radius, here if I want to give say 25 pixel, after that in the right side, right border, right top corner, if I want to give 50 pixel, and right bottom if I want to give 25 pixel, and finally left bottom I want to give 50 pixel. So you can make a border like this. If you want to keep all of the same, then it will be same. So I'm making it publish. So that's the way for the single block. Okay, I'm closing the zoom. So this is the scenery right now. After that I want to make a border for this whole block. Multiple blocks there has, I want to make all blocks in together single border. Okay, so firstly I have to go my the back end. After that I have to select all of the blocks which I want to make a multiple border together. So already I selected. After that I have to click here this option. It means it will be a group. So I am clicking here. Now it's a group. I am giving a refresh, then you can understand easily. So refresh. You see, right now this is a group. As we created the group, now I can select this group. How you are selecting the group, I am showing you. Firstly, click anywhere of this group. After that, top left corner, you will get this icon. So click there. After clicking, I have to again come to the right side and have to select this block option. After selecting the block, I have to come to the down section, click on advanced, and now I have to give a CSS class name here. So again I am giving a CSS name, post uploader underscore group. So save draft. Again I have to come to the additional CSS section, this section. So I am clicking here, and after the previous CSS code I will include the new CSS group name. So I am going to copy the CSS name, and here I am giving a dot. Okay, I am making it zoom again, then you will understand very easily. I pasted that CSS name. After that I have to give second bracket opening and closing. After that, inside of that bracket I am giving a enter. So inside that bracket I will include the code. So if I copy my previous code here, it will work perfectly. So I am just copy and pasted here. You see, full of the group blocks are now in a single border. Now I want to make an experiment, something like previous border was solid, but here I want to give a dotted border. If I give the dotted, and border will be like this. If I give dashed, border will be like this. So this is the simple tricks, and this CSS code I will give on my YouTube video description. You can use the CSS name as per your wish. I just gave it whatever you will put on your post section. You have to just keep the same CSS name in custom CSS option. Rest of the things are same. Okay, I'm closing the zoom. Now you can watch very clearly what I made. So here I gave the solid border for a single block, and here I gave a border for multiple blocks by using group. After that I used CSS code. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.